Today I'm telling you about one of my favorite features that the iPhone has to offer. It's called Visual Lookup. This is where you can take a picture of almost anything and the iPhone will tell you exactly what it is, and it can come in handy in weird scenarios. So I'm going to show you some real life examples and how to use this feature on your iPhone. I'm Sherry, your telecom expert with Whistle Out. So first, what is the visual lookup on the iPhone? Well, in short, like I mentioned, you can take a picture of a dog or any kind of animal or plant or even food, and it will tell you exactly what it is. And if it's food, it will tell you recipes on how to make it. Now, instead of asking and annoying potential dog owners what kind of dog they have when they're walking down the street, you can just be a bit of a weirdo and maybe a creep and take a picture of it from a distance, and then you have your answer, which I've done before. Now, before I get ahead of myself here, this function works with pictures as well as videos. So if you have any old videos on your iPhone of plants or animals or food, you can pause it, pull up on the screen, and then you will get a little insignia, a little sign that is either a plant, an animal, or food. You can open that and it will tell you exactly what you want to know about that animal, plant, or food. For instance, when it comes to plants, hemlock and thistle look fairly similar, except for the fact that one will kill you if you eat it. So instead of accidentally making hemlock tea like a Renaissance witch, you can purposefully make thistle tea all by using your iPhone. Another time I've used Visual Lookup that was incredibly helpful was when I came across a snake in the middle of the road. Now, I am a fan of snakes. I don't like to kill them or run over them, so I wanted to save it. I was pretty certain it was a gopher snake, 90% certain. And gopher snakes are safe, but there's potential that it could have been something more sinister. So I took a picture, I took a video, I paused it, I pulled up on the screen, and guess what? The iPhone did tell me it was a gopher, which I had already assumed it probably was, so I tickled its little tail and it ran off the path, and I saved a snake, all thanks to the iPhone and my good-hearted soul. Now, I do have a disclaimer here that if anything really is life or death and you're trying to use this function as a way to keep your life safe, don't count on it. Though it is very accurate, you should not rely on the iPhone saving your life in that kind of situation. Have you used Visual Lookup before? How do you like it? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Sherry, your telecom expert with Whistle Out.